So with that, here on this first slide, I really want to get started with the why. Why are we talking about controls integration now more than ever? So first, you see here, transformation is accelerating. The digital transformation market is growing at over 26% annually, with the ERP market growing at over $238 billion by 2030. As we all seen, AI adoption is surging and machine learning is hot on its tail. And organizations are launching multiple strategic programs in parallel to continue to gain efficiencies and gain that competitive advantage over their peers. You add into this technology disruptions. Legacy systems are being sunset fast. Everything's getting moved to cloud, and these types of projects are ramping up with forced upgrades and global consolidations and things like that, which is also increasing the cybersecurity footprint for all organizations. On top of that, you add in the AI driven risks that are now emerging. Each of these technology disruptions are occurring simultaneously, putting a lot of pressure on businesses to continuously adapt.